Hi, I'm Steve Axtell from It's Easy, a website design company based right here in Northampton, and I've been a member of Emerson's Club for it's nearly 5 years now, and I keep coming back, simply because there's something for everyone. Depending on the size of business, it really doesn't matter, because you can always pick up good advice and tips from it. You've also got a room full of like-minded people, all at different stages of development in their businesses. And what's really great about that is there's people at different levels that you can learn from as well. All in all, it's a great experience. We have fun, and it's worth being a member.